if my audio is bad, this is why. There's just a ton of people, a ton of interest in wasmCloud. I just stepped out of CNCF wasmCloud and CNCF Wasm Edge's co-workshop together, where we taught people how to build their first component. And I was just saying, there's like maybe 500 people in there. So cool. All right, I'm gonna share my screen and give a little update on wasmCloud auto. And as you can see, there's made it small. There's only a few issues remaining. We've also cut a few different alphas. The reason why we call them alphas is because we know there are bugs that we gotta fix. So we're working on just these last two things. We're gonna cut a beta once we implement this last piece for these two, and then release candidates, and then we're going to make a big call for everybody to really give us feedback. Please feed on it. We want to make sure our 1.0 launch is as awesome as it can be. I ran on it on stage yesterday and showing our blobby example running in both local, working with a local blob store file system, and then also in Kubernetes. And that was using another project that we had released. So if I go back out to wasmCloud, I'm going down, there's this new wasmCloud operator that Dan here worked on. Hello, everybody. Going. Do you mind giving them a little intro on the wasmCloud operator?
Yeah, sure. So,
yep. Probably not. Actually, you can't do it because I'm in here. Yeah. Okay. I'll just say something. All right. wasmCloud operator. What's different from smooth operators and controllers and Helm charts and many other different ways that we allowed you to deploy WebAssembly on Kubernetes? This one is WDAM native. It is something that understands our WebAssembly application deployment manifest and via WDAM. And we deploy on the OAM, so the Open Application Manifest. And so that piece is where we can have a declarative manifest and then a controller that understands how to reconcile the state of that deployment over on your Kubernetes cluster. It's fairly straightforward to set up, and it looks like you've got a Helm chart for it. Very nice. Oh, to deploy NAS. Got it. Okay. So we're going to have a Helm chart later. Yes.
Helm chart is on the way.
Okay.
Already planned.
Helm chart's on the way. And basically, this will allow you to use tools like Argo CD to do rolling updates of your deployment via GitOps. And so I expect us to have a lot more innovation on that in the future. I got to run everything 2 days ago, very, very, very hot off the presses, and it was very exciting. But we'll get some more stable versions of those out for everybody very shortly. So that is basically the major round of updates of the project right now. Basically, we're still we're marching towards that major launch for wasmCloud 1.0. We are really refining running wasmCloud on Kubernetes. People are still very excited about that use case, and yeah, we're having an amazing reception here. 4 out of the 5 talks for Wasm Day used wasmCloud, which is pretty awesome. That's never happened before. Joshman gave a talk from Orange, and then the machine metrics Joshman, and then Orange gave a talk showing using wasmCloud for Peloton. It's really chaotic here though, because I believe the booth trial is just about to start. So I think we should probably keep this one really short, but I'd like to go ahead and open up if anybody has any questions for us live on the floor. Hi. No? Okay. All right. Well, thank you everybody for joining our community stream. We haven't missed one yet. We're not going to miss one going forward. So even if we're all spread out in all these different talks and a lot of excitement, we're still here, still building that community. All right. Thank you everybody. We are